Hey there, stackers. Today's video, we're going to tackle a question that the community just can't seem to agree upon an answer for, and that is, what is better for your stack, bars or coins? So let's get started. Now, just as an FYI, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube giving his opinion and sharing his journey on stacking the precious metal. So, I'm going to give you first my insights on coins. I've got a few of these beautiful coins that you see here in front of you, all kinds of types that you see. We've got some Britannias. I really like these ones. And you've got some American Silver Eagles, the #1 coin on the market in the silver market. And then you've got some Maples here at the top. And then I put 2 layers of Silver Eagles so you can see how those kind of coincide there. Nice little close-up shot. Hope you guys enjoy those. And I'll give you my pluses for coins, why I like coins, and why, of course, as you can see, I'm stacking a few types of coins. The ones you see here in front of you, these are my favorite types of coins. I would say my top 3 types of coins to collect, and that is American Silver Eagles, #1, Britannia's #2, and Maples #3, right? And I'll give you a reason why. One is very small in size as far as being able to get these in that normal 1-ounce variety, which is really popular, very easy and divisible in a sense into the marketplace. The premiums on them aren't too bad, except for this one. Geez, these guys right here are ridiculous. So these I'm kind of straying away from unless they're kind of all beat up, and I can get them for close to like round price. But luckily, I got these really nice BUs for some really good deals. But Britannias seem to be one of the best ones you can get right now in that coin variety that are really as close as you can get to rounds. And I mean, you're going to end up selling them in a sense on the Britannia side for close to the rounds. But coin-wise, one of the best coins you can get on the market as far as price and value goes. They're easy as far as memorable. I mean, you take them to any coin shop or LCS, and they're going to recognize these coins out of everything else that's out there. I know there's a popular one out there, the Krugerrands, which are really cool. I mean, they're a little too plain for me. I like really cool styles and designs. I guess people would say the American Eagle is kind of plain, but that's a beautiful style. You can't beat that right there. Plus, that right there is the #1 coin in the market. I mean, you could pretty much take that anywhere, and it's going to be memorable. And it's even U.S. currency. I mean, you can use it as a dollar. Definitely wouldn't recommend doing that, but other than that, you're pretty cool there. I would say the only downside compared to the bars is, I would say, the premiums, right? On the bars, you're going to have a lot, I would say, less premium. In most cases, sometimes you get into some numismatic style stuff, and then you might be paying a little premium. So something like this on the market, a Beskar Bar, right, usually would probably carry a pretty decent premium. And with this one, this is a 31 ouncer here. I'll give you guys a nice little run through. I've got a whole video just on the Beskar Bar. So if you guys want to check that out, go check out some of my other videos, and you'll see it there. But this one here I picked up from a fellow stacker. You may even recognize where, but I'll let you guys figure that one out. And I got these for a really good deal. One of the really cool things I like about bars is for some reason I'm getting them far better closer to spot than I would on coins. Here's another bar I've got. That's a 17 ouncer. And, you know, for me, it's far better getting bars versus going after coins. I'm paying a lot higher premium, in a sense, on these coins. And so that, in a sense, is really one of the main reasons why I would actually prefer, if I was in the same sense, looking at apples to apples. In most cases, market prices, I'm going to end up getting better deals by going after bars. And for me, I'm stacking for silver. I want as many ounces as I can at this point. So if you're going in that route, the math just makes sense. I mean, even if you look at the premiums per se, and you look at just over time how much you're spending over premium. I mean, I was watching videos today where they calculated the premiums. They're in the 40% range on Silver Eagles. 40% premiums. I mean, geez. But you really shouldn't really see that type of premium on bars, right? And so if you're stacking to gain ounces, you're going to have a really good experience gathering as many ounces, because even if you took in fact the premiums, right? Let's say you had an extra premium on those, and these did pretty well, and your silver starts to gain some value, and you end up going to sell, you're going to have a lot more value by having more ounces of silver than being able to have an extra couple dollar premium on each ounce because you got them in coin varieties. So I don't know. I mean, I'm really just kind of math centric in most cases. So I kind of like that. Price, stackability, and the creativity is one of the coolest things I like about bars. I mean, check this one out. It's got a nice little hologram to it, and it's got this really interesting look to it, which is really awesome. The Beskar Bar, right? I mean, where do you see a 31-ounce Beskar Bar? I mean, yeah, 31 grams, but we got a 31-ounce Beskar Bar here. So, it's definitely an eye-catching piece in the collection. So I like the creativity. And with coins, I mean, you get a lot of really awesome design, really cool creativity, but they're kind of limited. They've got to be in this little circle shape and, in this little type of format. So, you are starting to see some of these newer coins out there that are starting to get some really uniqueness, like that sundial one or something like that. I thought that was pretty cool. But what are your thoughts? For me, if I was to look at it, unless I'm getting the coins for the same price as bars, I'm going to go with the bars, right? I just like the creativity, but that's just for the collection. Now, if I am going for stackability, because I'm going to end up selling it down the road in a sense, just for what I'm doing, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just dude on YouTube, I go with what's easily sellable. So this is why I stack a lot of coins, and I want to make sure that if for some reason down the road I'm going to sell them, and I haven't been in a sell position in quite some time, I look at it as, got to find something that's easy to sell. This might be a little difficult to sell, but I'm planning on kind of keeping this for the long term. I want to kind of probably pass this down, and this will be something interesting that becomes a story. But that's a whole different reason why I stack. So it all, I guess, depends on how you stack and why you stack, right? And if you're looking for that changeability, transferability, and the easeability, coins may be your best bet. But if you're looking for something just really fun and unique and really interesting things to add to the stack and be able to do it at a rate where you can get some really awesome deals, better than you would pay on coins, and you're able to add really awesome silver to your stack. So that's all Mr. Stacker has to say about that. What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Mr. Stacker out.